Welcome back to the literacy skill book. This is page number 38. So in the previous class we have learned and we have practiced to read the positions, right? We have practiced to read the positions. So here we have finished the position in, on, far, near, above, top, bottom, in front of, behind and under. So here are some of the fill in the blanks which shows the position. Okay, so first of all we are going to first practice to read the correct sentence. Okay, so here you can see, first we'll see here on, on, in, in, front, front, of, in front of, in, behind, behind, above, above. Okay, now children, here in the first picture you can see some fruits in the basket. There are some fruits in the basket. So the sentence here is the, fruits, fruits, are dash, the, basket, basket. So read the spellings first and read the sentence. The fruits are dash the baskets. So now you can see the fruits. Where are the fruits, children? Yes, the fruits are in the basket. So here you can see the spelling iron, in. So let us write the spelling iron, in. Okay, now let's move to the next. Now you can see the aeroplane. Here you can see the aeroplane flying in the clouds. So here the aeroplane, aeroplane, is flying, flying, dash the, the, clouds, clouds. The aeroplane is flying dash the clouds. Now what is the correct answer, children? Yes, above. So above is the correct answer. So we will write the spelling above, above. So now you can read the correct spelling. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Okay, so can you see the correct spelling? The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So let's move to the next. Now here you can see the cat. Okay, the, cat, is sitting, sitting, dash, the, cushion, cushion. So where is the cat sitting, children? The cat is sitting on the cushion. So can you see here on? Yes, so we will write here on the cushion. Next, let us move to the next. The girl, the girl, girl, is standing, standing, dash, the, curtain. So can you see this girl here? Where is she standing, children? Yes, she is standing behind the curtain. So the spelling of behind is behind, behind. So you will write the spelling behind, behind. The girl is standing behind the curtain. Let's move to the next. Okay, now here you can see the boy. T-H-E, the, B-O-Y, boy. I-S is S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing, dash the, T-H-E, the, C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. So where is the boy standing here? Yes, the boy is standing in front of the curtain. So we'll see here in front of. So the spelling of in front of is I-N, in, F-R-O-N-T, front. So here you can write, you can underline this and you can write here OF, off. So you can continue here if there is no place. So read it once again. The boy is standing in front of the curtain. Okay. So here you can see the boy standing in front of the curtain. So this is the positions word. So which you have to not only write, you have to read it. So read all this sentence. Practice the sentence to read it. Okay, read the sentence and you have to practice it well. So see you in the next class then children. Take care and bye-bye.